Welcome to Jade SOFTECH. In this session, we are going to discuss about the question and answers related to the latest SAP BAP, that's the Business AI platform. Now, what is SAP Business AI Platform BAIP? SAP's unified AI ecosystem to build, deploy, govern, and scale AI across SAP. It includes Joel, AI Core, AI Launchpad, Gen AI Hub, Business Data Cloud, and AI Governance. What are the major components of the latest BAIP platform, the Business AI platform? The major components are Joel, AI Foundation, AI Core, AI Launchpad, Gen AI Hub, Business Data Cloud, AI Agents, Vector Engine, Knowledge Graph, Governance, and SAP BTP. What is SAP Joel? AI co-pilot across SAP applications that understands business context and executes tasks using enterprise data. What is SAP AI Core? Runtime for training, deploying, scheduling, and serving AI ML models. What is SAP AI Launchpad? It's a central console to monitor, deploy, version, and govern AI models. What is Generative AI Hub? Generative AI Hub is a unified access to multiple LLMs. It provides through one single interface. Why Business Data Cloud? Now provides trusted, governed enterprise data and business context for AI. What are AI agents? Autonomous systems that plan, reason, and execute business tasks. What's the difference between Joel versus the AI agent? Joel is an assistant, just like we have Siri or Hey Google, just like that we have Joel. But whereas AI agents autonomously plan and execute goals. What is RAG? Retrieval Augmented Generation. It retrieves enterprise knowledge before LLM generation to improve accuracy. What is vector database? It stores embedding for semantic search and document retrieval. What is prompt engineering? Designing prompts with context, constraints, and examples for better AI output. What is SAP Knowledge Graph? SAP Knowledge Graph captures relationships among business entities for contextual AI. What is responsible AI? Fairness, transparency, privacy, security, auditability, and human oversight. What is the role of SAP BTP? It provides integration, data, workflow, APIs, and AI services foundation. Non-SAP integration. So how do you get the non-SAP integration? Non-SAP integration can be done via REST, OData, SOAP, integration suite, and open connectors. And now let me just also add here that CPI, the Cloud Platform Integration, is now a part of the integration suite. Common use cases. What are the common use cases of the BAIP? We can actually go ahead and do invoice automation, HR automation, or forecasting, procurement, maintenance, customer service. These all things can be done. What are the productivity benefits? It automates work, speeds decisions, and improves forecasting. What are the security features? RBAC, encryption, audit logs, API security, compliance, and governance. Now, can you just brief about the end-to-end architecture of SAP BAIP? Normally, users log in, they can access the journal, and then through journal they can access the AI agents. Then we have Gen AI Hub, LLMs together added with the RAG, Vector Engine, Business Data Cloud, SAP applications, AI Core, AI Launchpad, and governance. And thanks for watching this video till the end, and do subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, and like this video and share it with anyone whom you think will be useful. Once again, thank you so much. Have a great day. Goodbye.